students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is alphabet in pictures. In earlier sessions, we have covered till letter P. Now, let us start the session with Q. In today's session, we will cover the four letters Q, R, S, T. Q, R, S, T. Let's start the session and understanding about these four letters. This is letter Q. Q, quer. Q, quer, queen. Q, quer, quill. Q, quer, quilt. This is letter Q. Q says quer. Q says quer. Q, quer, queen. Q, quer, quill. Q, quer, quilt. Q, quer, quilt. You can see here a picture of queen, which is with letter Q. Letter Q. Quill. Quill is with letter Q. Quilt is with letter Q again. Now, let us start understanding how to write letter Q. This is capital cursive Q. This is small cursive Q. For capital cursive Q, you have to first make a round like you made for letter O. Yes, first make a round without touching it. And now at the bottom, make a curve line like this, downwards, upwards. This is capital cursive Q. Capital cursive Q. This is small cursive Q. Small cursive Q. Start from this point. Go down, make a line and like this. This is small cursive Q. Capital cursive Q, small cursive Q. Q sounds quer. Q sounds quer. Q, quer, queen. Q, quer, quill. Q, quer, quilt. After Q, you know which letter comes? Letter R. R, rat. R, rose. R, rabbit. All are with letter R. Rat. Rat is in brown color. R, rat. R, rose. The most beautiful flower. R, rose. And a cute animal. R, rabbit. R, rabbit. You know, students, rabbit loves to eat carrots. R, rabbit. R, rat. R, rose. R, rabbit. Now, let us understand how to write R in cursive. First, see, this is capital cursive R. This is small cursive R. Capital cursive R, small cursive R. Make a curve like this, go up, make a round, go down like this. Capital cursive R, small cursive R. Make a curve like this. Small cursive R, capital cursive R. R sounds R. R sounds R. R, rabbit. R, rose. R, rat. R says R. R says R. You know what comes after letter R? There is letter S. S, sun. S, sunflower. S, spider. S says sir. S says sir. S, sun, which shines brightly. S, sun. S, sunflower. It is sunflower. It is in the shape of sun. That's why we call it sunflower. And the next is spider. S, spider. Spider has many legs. S, spider. This is letter S. Let us understand the cursive S as well. This is capital cursive S. This is small cursive S. capital cursive S, small cursive s. Let us understand how to make it. Make a slanting line, curve it, and like this. This is capital cursive S, capital cursive S, small cursive s. It's same. You just have to make a curve like this, and at side you have to make a small curve line. S says sir. S says sir. S, sir. This is capital cursive S. This is small cursive s. Now understand. S, sun. S, sunflower. S, spider. After S, there comes letter T. T. This is letter T. T, tiger. T, tiger. T, telephone. T, tomato. T, tomato. This is letter T. T says T. T says T. T, tiger. T, tiger. T, telephone. T, telephone. T, tomato. Tomato is in bright red color. T, tomato. This is a wild animal named tiger, which starts with letter T. T says T. Let's understand how to write it. This is our capital cursive T. This is our small cursive T. Let's understand how to write it. It's very easy. Come down. Yes, this is capital cursive T. This is small cursive T. Yes, in the middle, make a sleeping line. Small cursive T, capital cursive T. This is capital cursive T. This is small cursive T. T sounds T. T says T. That's all, students, for today's session of 4 letters, which were Q, R, S, T. Q says Qu. R says R. S says S. T says T. That's all for today's session.